Introducing the SmartSoaker from Agpro, the most advanced and innovative cow soaking system available. Reduce water usage by up to 70% compared to traditional soaking systems, while promoting an increase of 5 to 6 pounds of milk per cow. Reduce their heat stress and keep your cows comfortable. This revolutionary technology on your dairy increases production, conserves water, and generally promotes a healthier herd while keeping your feed dry. Your cows will naturally activate the SmartSoaker when feeding at the feed bunk to initiate a soaking cycle. Cows also have the ability to get soaked when they need it. They no longer have to wait long periods of time for preset soaking cycles to begin.
We've seen heat stress reduction with these SmartSoakers of up to 20 breaths per minute. Temperature can be 96 to 100 outside. Most of the cows under the SmartSoakers are in the low 60s to mid 60s range in breaths per minute. Cows not under the SmartSoakers are in the upper 80s to low 90s. A cow is hot, she gets up out of the bed, she walks to the conventional soaker system, it has just turned off. She has a full 10 minutes to wait before that soaker system comes back on to cool her. With an Agpro SmartSoaker, she can walk up and she's soaking within 15 seconds. By cooling the cows more efficiently and on their schedule and according to their individual needs, the total heat stress mitigation throughout the barn can be tremendous.
By utilizing algorithms and sensors, climate and soaking cycles can be tailored to your specific climate and needs, while only activating under conditions where cooling is needed. The SmartSoaker system can work in standalone mode, or you can have the option of adding Agpro's Barn Boss management system, enabling the adjustment of set points, program blockout times, or analyze the performance of your system, all from the convenience of your smartphone, tablet, or computer. Whether your emphasis is increasing milk production or saving water, the SmartSoaker will help your bottom line, and your cows will thank you for it. For more info on Agpro's SmartSoaker, visit www.agprousa.com.